Join us on an exciting and educational journey through the world of green apples in our documentary, The Green Apple Chronicles. Explore the rich history, cultivation, and delicious flavors of this beloved fruit. From the orchard to your table, discover the fascinating story behind the green apple. In The Green Apple Chronicles, we embark on an exploration of one of nature's most refreshing and versatile gifts, the green apple. We delve into the origins of green apples, tracing their history back through the ages, and discover the importance of this fruit in various cultures. From the care and dedication of apple farmers to the intricacies of apple harvesting, we learn what it takes to bring these green gems from the tree to your local grocery store. Not all green apples are created equal. We introduce you to a variety of green apple types, each with its unique taste and culinary uses. Experience the delectable world of green apple culinary creations. From pies to salads, we explore the vast array of mouth-watering dishes that can be made with green apples. Green apples are not just delicious, they're also packed with health benefits. Experts reveal the nutritional value and positive impact on well-being. We look ahead to the future of green apples, examining the ongoing scientific research and innovative advancements in apple cultivation.